guys, so I am back with another cooking video and I am doing cinnamon bun rolls. They're 95 calories. Never done this recipe before, so I will give it a go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So let's get on to the ingredients that you need. You'll need some flour, some lactose-free almond sort of milk. You can have almond milk, but I've only got lactose, so then some cinnamon spices, some sweetener, 2 eggs and some butter. So let's get on to the cooking. So we're going to get a bowl and the flour. All over my face. What a combination. What a combination. So you're going to put all the flour into the bowl. See, they say you're not a good cook unless you make a mess. So put the flour in the bowl. So you're going to get the butter, and you need to get 100 grams of the butter. So I'm going to use this, and I've already translated it into milliliters. So we're going to get the butter. Making a mess. If you don't make a mess, you're not doing it right. Right, put it in there. Like so. And you get a wooden spoon and you just place all of that into the flour like so, making sure it's all in there, and we're going to mix it. So we're just going to, see it's going everywhere, but you want to make like breadcrumbs with it. So you're just going to stir the butter into the flour as much as you can, using the back of the spoon to separate the butter to make it like breadcrumbs. That's what we want. That's what we need, is breadcrumbs. And this is going to use a lot of your muscles in it to get this all mixed together. I am making such a beautiful mess with this. But yeah, we're going to carry on this, and then once it's all mixed together and into breadcrumbs, I will then get back to you. So it looks something like this. Now we're going to add the milk and the eggs. We're going to add the milk into the bowl with the eggs, just making sure it's all mixed together before we add the other ingredients in. This is definitely a workout, so if you want to work out on your arms, do this. So that looks good. So now we're going to add the milk. So now we're going to get our milk, and we're going to add 120 milliliters of milk. So you get your jug, and it should be on there. And add that in with 1 egg. And we're going to mix this all together. Until it's like a sticky dough. Again, you can always add more milk if you think that's not enough, because it's healthy milk. So making sure it's all in a sticky thing. And then we're going to add just a splash of salt. Again, if you need to add any more, you can do. But I just start off with a splash, and then if it needs more, then I will add more to it. So it's literally like this, sticky. Again, if you want to add more milk, then you can. It's very sticky. And another, the mixture should be like this. If it's not, you can add a bit more flour to it, but that's what the mixture should be like. So now it's mixed, we're going to get some cling film and we're going to wrap it and keep it tight fitted for 10 minutes so the dough can rise. Someone taught me this and I totally forgot the last time I did dough, but we are going to get some cling film now. Out the way. Cover this bad boy up. Like so, make sure it's all covered. This is very tricky on my end. So I've done one side. It's very hard, this cling film. I don't like it. No like it, no like it. So I'm going to cover, move that out the way. Cover this up. All of this up. Just wrap it like really, really good. Really, really good. And we're just going to place that on the side to rise. Set your time. Set your timer for 10 minutes. So it doesn't look like it's turned out the way I wanted. So I'm going to plan B. This ain't going to define me. I'm going to use these trays and just do like a cinnamon bun type thing. So I'm going to add the cinnamon ground into the bowl. So we're going to get some of this and sprinkle and mix it in. I'm going to save some for later as well, just to add on the buns once they're done. So we've mixed that in. It should not be like this, but I've gone wrong somewhere along the line. Now we're just going to put them into the trays and do it that way. Obviously everyone goes wrong on the first time trying these different things. So I'm hoping yours turn out better than mine. So now we're going to put them in the trays. So we're going to get a normal spoon and we're just going to put them in the tray. Don't judge please, because I know these have gone wrong. They've gone so wrong, but we're going to make the best of it and hope for the best and see how they've just filled one tray and now fill in another. This wasn't the plan for this to turn out like it did. So I'm hoping once it's all cooked that it's gonna taste nice, because if it ain't, then we can put that down to one fail. One fail. And it's only 95 calories anyway, so But we'll see how these turn out, and if it actually turn out alright, it was meant to be. So I'm just getting the last little bits onto the tray. We all make mistakes when we're cooking. I think a lot of us have, but this is not gonna. This is how they have turned out. So now I'm gonna get the cinnamon and just sprinkle it on the top. Hopefully that will make it a bit better. I'm hoping. They always say when you muck up it actually tastes better, so we'll see. So just get the last little bit, making sure they are covered in the cinnamon. So you put the cooker on 200 and you're going to cook these for 25 to 30 minutes. And let's hope for the best that they turn out all right. If not, then we can put that down to one fail. So wish me luck, and I will be back. This is how they have turned out. They just look like cakes, but we're going to get them out, cool them down, and then see what they taste like. So they look like this out of the oven, and they just look like cakes. So this is what they look like on the plate. They don't look too bad, and they smell lovely. It's just whether what they taste like when I eat one. So let's do it. So these are the cinnamon buns, if you can even call them that. They smell like them, but whether they taste like them is a different matter. So we're gonna just taste doughy. Tastes nice, but very doughy. Rich. You can sort of taste the cinnamon. Should have put a little bit more in. But it's very doughy, but I'm not complaining because it tastes really nice. Just tastes like dough. That was a fail, but at the same time, I like them. I think I must have put a bit too much milk in, because it was very watery. You can taste the cinnamon, you can smell it, you can smell the cinnamon. There's me eating away. I think they're really nice. Some people might think they're a bit too doughy. I'm not saying that this was a great success. I would say it was a fail because they don't look or taste like cinnamon buns. But they're nice. So put that one down as a fail. We all have our fails sometimes. Yes, so we all have our fails, and this one was definitely a fail. It definitely tastes nice. I like them. But yeah, we'll definitely put down that as a fail. But if you like these type of cooking videos, let me know in the comment section below. I will be trying to do a carbonara very soon. It's just trying to get the ingredients and money and stuff. But I will be doing that soon. But a definite fail, but it was fun. Missed cooking. That's probably why it was a fail, because I haven't cooked in so long. But if you did like this video, give it a massive thumbs up, subscribe down below, and click that notification bell so it'll notify you when I upload a video. So I'll see you again next time, my butterflies. Bye.